Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming which Outlook app you use and preparing your pink assets. This matters because settings differ between desktop and web. Once you know the version, copy a pink hex code like #FFC0CB or locate a theme image you want to apply. Make sure to back up or note existing theme and view customizations so you can revert if needed. Now open Outlook and go straight to the Personalization or View Settings pane to begin changing colors and backgrounds. You'll now apply the pink styling step by step. On desktop, choose File, Options, then General to set an office theme, pick Custom or use a background image and set accent color to your pink hex. On Outlook Web Open settings, view all Outlook settings, General, Appearance, then upload background or select accent color. On mobile, use settings, theme if available or set a background image. Once applied, restart or refresh Outlook to ensure the color propagates across panes and message lists. Finish by fine-tuning contrast and text color so pink doesn't reduce readability. Change reading pane text colors or switch to a lighter/darker pink where needed. If layout issues or missing icons appear, revert using your backup settings or remove the custom theme and reapply a simpler pink accent. If visuals still fail, clear the app cache or update Outlook to the latest build. This often resolves theme rendering bugs. One key tip: test in both light and dark modes to ensure consistent legibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.